Hi, we're making spicy aglio olio.
So here are the ingredients that you need. You need some pasta. I'm using spaghetti today. I have some grated Parmesan. I've got some chicken powder. I've got Himalayan salt, but you can use any salt. I've got some chopped up chili pepper. I've got some parsley, some olive oil. I've got some white pepper, also garlic, tons of garlic because I love my aromatics and seasonings. I've got some shallots and I've got some onion. So put in your pasta and we're gonna add some salt. Once your oil is hot, put in your aromatics such as your garlic, your shallots, and your onion and your chili peppers, and just cook everything together. I love flavor, so I use a lot of shallots and garlic chilies, and also onion. I'm cooking quite a lot of spaghetti, so don't forget the chilies. And now what I like to do is I like to season it with some chicken powder. This is optional. Just like to get in some flavor into my aromatics. Then we're going to fry this until it's fragrant for about a minute or so. Now add in your pasta to your pan. And don't forget to count your blessings. Now you want to add in some of your pasta water because I'm using a lot of spaghetti and we're doing 2 scoops. So just adding that. Now I like to sprinkle some cheese on top. I'd like to also add in some more parsley. And for the final touch, some more olive oil. Drizzle it. Et voila! And Eetmakelijk! Count your blessings and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Follow me for more.